Azoospermia is a condition where there are no sperms or absent sperm in your semen sample, and the condition seems devastating to the couple with totally no hope for pregnancy. But with the procedure of TESA, that is testicular sperm extraction, we can extract the semen from your testes and inject into the eggs of the female partner with the technology of intracytoplasmic injection with a very good success rate.
Yakani ke jaka jang sorkar la Aiti du menteri rangba ke jala Meghalaya u Conrad Kongkal Sangma hau Chief Justice kaying syari Meghalaya High Court u Justice Sanjeev Banerjee u belong ru Chancellor ka School ba National Law University. Ha kabalaidan lang ke menteri ketenaraan i Dr. Amrin Lengdo u menteri ketenar puli putih u Rakam e Sangma bat kebeki. U Conrad Kongkal Sangma ha bakaran ha kejingelang ulaong ba kesorkar jela ka syai kedar lor kinong rim jongka na gebenta ke jela bat kumolong kiwei pat kiri ke jela ru kelajam sekmat ban kentio ke yok kekot hagi babon kiliang. Ulaong ba kejing kio ki kampen roy ke syong ha kejing dan kibre ku betbet menteri kam bat ke India ke dekari ke bagi samla ke de benok senyang ha kelenti ke bedai sya kejing kentio syaprang ya kari. U Justice Sanjeev Banerjee udaong bagi don yang kejing terang bakani ke skul ba jongkaan kan nong kejaka pulia kawa ansa meki atiar bat ikirukom trekam bat ukermen scam bakani ke skul ba hadian habot kenang ye ya bon ki samla pulia na kejela ula kenturu ya baro bagian ai kejing kersyan yang kejaka pulia ba kanang roy kum kan National Law University kenang bagan longru kejaka pulia ke balak ban pen paunam hakeleng ke perthai.
We had just formed a search committee. I had assumed the extraordinary powers that the Act provided for its Chancellor to set up the National Law University. And we had just issued an advertisement hoping we'd get some good talent for the Vice Chancellor's post. We had around 49 applications. We are grateful to Professor Chakraborty of NUJS who helped us to evaluate with cogent parameters, and we whittled down the number of applications to about 13, and we called probably 9 or 10 for interviews conducted extensively over 2 days. This was early in January, when we still didn't know where the campus would be, where the students would come from, or whether we'd be able to set it up in course of the year at all.
That we are all working towards building and ensuring that this institute would at the end contribute immensely to the state of Meghalaya and to the country as a whole. We are clear in our agenda for the state. For a very long time, the state of Meghalaya, and in fact many other economies in the country and across the world, have been what we all call an extractive form of economy, which basically means we extract our resources and we build on selling these resources, and that's how the economy or the GDP grows. And hence, we have seen many nations, especially the smaller nations, which have managed to move from what we call an extractive economy into something which we call a regenerative economy. And the regenerative economy is an economy that develops a lot and bases a lot on the human capital that you have. And hence, if Meghalaya in the years to come, in decades to come, this is not going to happen in a single day or a year. But in the course, in the future, if a state like ours has to move forward and come into an area where we start looking at becoming more of a regenerative economy, it is only through development of human capital can we achieve it. And hence, though we have a large number of challenges that the state faces, we have to start somewhere. And the start may not always be easy. And sometimes we may fail. Sometimes things might not go as planned. But as we have always believed, that it is our duty to put in that effort, provide that vision, and move towards it and take a step and give it our best. And therefore, you must have seen that in the last many years, in spite of the numerous amount of challenges, our policy has moved towards ensuring that we started investing in this human capital that we believe is the future for our state and for our country.